The feast of St. Paul Shipwreck is very important for the Maltese people as it marks the beginning of the glorious history of Christian faith of Malta. That is why the Holy Father, Pope Francis, and the superiors of the Holy See have chosen this date for the announcement of a good news which has often been talked about during the last weeks. It concerns the much desired apostolic visit of the Holy Father Pope Francis to Malta, which, for sure you will recall, was scheduled 2 years ago and had to be postponed due to the pandemic. And so, I have the honor to read the text of the official announcement, which is made simultaneously in Malta and in Vatican today. Accept the invitation of the President of the Republic of Malta, of the civil authorities and the Catholic Church of the country. His Holiness Pope Francis will make an apostolic journey to Malta from the 2nd to 3rd of April 2022. Will make an apostolic journey to Malta from the 2nd to the 3rd of April 2022, visiting the cities of Valletta, Rabat, Floriana, Halfar, and the island of Gozo. The program and the further details of the journey will be announced shortly. This is the official announcement. Congratulations then, first of all, to Archbishop Charles Cicluna, President of the Episcopal Conference, to the bishops, to the Maltese bishops, Bishop Anthony Teuma and Bishop Joseph Galea Curmi, and also to Cardinal Mario Grech, Secretary General of the Synod of Bishops, who have worked hard for the realization of this great desire of the Maltese people. I have been instructed also to add, in the name of the Holy See and of the Holy Father, a word of deep gratitude to the President of the Republic, His Excellency Dr. George Vella, to the Prime Minister, the Honorable Robert Abela, and to the Maltese authorities for the exemplary availability they have shown also on this occasion. Finally, best wishes to all Maltese people. Best wishes for a good preparation of this event. I hope and pray that this coming papal visit may bring abundant blessings to Malta and Gozo. Thank you.